Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique. A car that's a time-traveling masterpiece, the 1919 VW Beetle Hybrid. Wait, a Beetle from 1919 and a hybrid? Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a conversation starter, a rolling piece of art, and a glimpse into what happens when classic design meets modern innovation. You might be wondering, was there even a Beetle in 1919? Technically, no, the original Volkswagen Beetle wasn't born until the late 1930s. But thanks to Restomod culture, where classic cars are rebuilt with modern tech, someone dared to imagine what a 1919 Beetle would have looked like, and powered it with a cutting-edge hybrid drivetrain. This isn't just a tribute, it's a reimagining. A fictional take on a Beetle from the post-World War I era, retrofitted with 21st century brains under that iconic bug-like body. At first glance, the car screamed vintage: curved fenders, exposed rivets, hand-shaped panels, and a tall, upright stance inspired by early 20th century carriage-style vehicles. But look closer, and you'll spot subtle upgrades. LED headlamps hidden inside period-correct housings, a flush-mounted solar roof panel, and recycled aluminum trim that maintains the retro look while reducing weight. It's an aesthetic mashup, part steampunk, part early Beetle, and part clean energy future. Step inside, and the surprise continues. The interior blends heritage and tech effortlessly. The dashboard is crafted from reclaimed wood, featuring analog look gauges with digital readouts. You get vintage toggle switches that actually control modern systems like regenerative braking and battery mode selection. The steering wheel is a hand-stitched leather beauty, but behind it is a head-up display projected onto a retractable glass panel, very James Bond. Other features include heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting customizable through a hidden control panel, and a discrete 8-inch infotainment screen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, it even has a voice assistant, but voiced like a 1940s radio announcer for that extra flair. Now let's get into the heart of the beast, or should we say bug. This 1919 Beetle Hybrid runs on a parallel hybrid system, a 1.0L turbocharged inline-3 paired with an 85 kilowatts electric motor. Combined output, around 180 horsepower. Not mind-blowing, but trust me, in a body that weighs under 2,400 pounds, this thing flies. You can drive it in EV mode for short urban trips up to 40 miles, hybrid mode for optimized fuel savings, or sport mode, where both power sources unleash their full potential. It goes from 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds, with a top speed of around 110 miles per hour. Not bad for a car that looks like it came from the silent film era. And yes, it gets an impressive 70 mpg combined when driven efficiently. Driving the 1919 Beetle Hybrid is an experience like no other. It's smooth and whisper quiet in EV mode, yet responsive and agile thanks to adaptive suspension and electric torque vectoring. Regenerative braking feels natural, and steering has just the right mix of analog feedback and electronic assist. Safety-wise, it hides its tech well. Front and rear collision warning sensors, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and even lane keep assist, subtly integrated to avoid breaking the vintage vibe. So what makes this hybrid so special? First, there's the one-of-a-kind design. There's simply nothing else like it on the road. Then there's the eco-conscious build. Over 60% of its materials are recycled or sustainably sourced. It's where tech meets nostalgia, from hidden solar panels to modern safety systems. And finally, this car is collector-grade craftsmanship at its best. Each unit is handmade and custom-tuned, making every build unique. Whether you're a classic car lover, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who wants something different, the 1919 VW Beetle Hybrid checks all the boxes. So, what do you think? Is the 1919 VW Beetle Hybrid a dream ride or just a cool collector's fantasy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of my channel, where we explore the wildest cars, concepts, and restomods on 4 wheels. Until next time, stay curious, stay charged, and keep driving forward into the future, even if it looks like the past.